Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit card to Klarna so you can easily make payments and manage your purchases. First, open the Klarna app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the plus icon, scroll down and then tap Other Card to start adding a new card. Now you can either scan your debit card using your phone's camera, which is super quick, or enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV code manually. After you've entered all the details, simply tap Save. Your debit card will now be added to Klarna and ready for use on your next purchase. And that's it. That's how to add a debit card to Klarna. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.